Hello everyone. How are you? This time, let's calculate with 3 numbers. Okay? First question. Look at the formula. How do you calculate this? Okay, let's do it together. Firstly, add these first 2 numbers. Now it is 3. Then add this 3 to the last number, 6. The result is 9. And so the final answer is 9. Do you understand? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question 2. Look at the formula. How do you calculate this? Okay, let's do it together. Firstly, calculate 6 minus 1. The answer is 5. Then using this 5, calculate 5 minus 4. The final answer is 1. Do you understand? Okay. For the last question, let's calculate 9 minus 7 plus 5. This formula includes subtraction and addition. Does it look difficult? Nope. You can calculate in a similar way. Firstly, calculate 9 minus 7, using the first 2 numbers. The answer is 2. Then, add this 2 to 5 for the final answer. Yes, the final answer is 7. That's all this time. Thank you for watching.